Alright guys, well good morning to all of you. I'm going to make you guys a video with the Dirt Devil Dynamite Plus, like right now. This is going to be a fairly quick, simple video, so I just want to do this like right now and get it done. So you go ahead here and plug it in. We're not going to do nothing crazy, we're not going to vacuum the kitchen. It's going to be a this afternoon video. So, this can be I'll save you something for the afternoon. And guys, I was checking on my excuse me, wonderful pajama pants. They're just not. Oh, a minute, guys. Excuse me. I got these pajama pants from Tractor Supply, so I'm not trying to. I don't want to be mean about it, but guys, my mom got me these, but I don't want to be mean. But they just don't want to cooperate. So, all right, guys. So here we go. And guys, I also have other news on that note. Probably along the lines of March or January, or February, later on, guys, you will be seeing a new vacuum on the channel. So, go ahead and get my mom to go back and you guys a little bit. So don't get nothing stuck in the brush hole or anything like that. Move some stuff over just gently with my feet. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to do that right now. So everyone here. This is going to be it. That's all. Nothing crazy. I apologize for the annoying noise that's stuck inside the dirt. Inside the Dirt Devil's dirt bin, but I found it yet, so just bear with me here, guys. I know it's making a little annoying noise, but that's alright. But yeah, guys, I'm going to be, in 2025, I'm going to be getting a new vacuum, so yes, that will be a thing. So do look for that, because guys, you will be seeing that. I promise you that. Alright guys, I figured how could I turn basically a crappy lousy situation into a good one? Well, I did. I basically went to Walmart. You know, Walmart kind of, well, I'm not knocking Walmart themselves, but their return policy, guys, is bogus for vacuum filters. So if you ever get a vacuum filter, you only have 30 days to return it. So, how am I going to turn a lousy situation into a good one? Well, you ask. I'm glad that people are curious because I'm going to wind up just picking up a Dirt Devil Power Express coming up here. It's not January, probably February. It'll probably be a February thing. I don't know. We'll see what happens with the whole thing, guys. I'll see what unfolds out of it. It's like I said, I don't know when exactly, but probably February, probably March. Somewhere along there, guys. It's gonna happen though. I plan on it. Because guys, I'm stuck with the F1 filter, okay? It's not the worst thing to happen. It's a brand new filter. So before you guys say, well, Stoopy, what are you gonna do? You know, well, I'm gonna turn this bad situation into a good one because I can't get my $10 back from the Walmart. So, well, what else is there to do? I mean, what do I do, you ask? Well, guys, it's a rather simple solution. Just basically swap out, you know, just swap out I'm just gonna get me a Power Express. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And guys, as for Daisy the Joel cichlid, it's not that I don't like the fish. There's gonna be a different species taking her place because she's just not happy with the environment, guys. So, thank you for watching, everybody. I'm going to get going here and enjoy your day. There'll be more content along the way.